Hi, my name is Andrea from senseFly. In this tutorial, I show you how to plan and fly a mission with the senseFly eBee X and the senseFly Aeria X camera. The senseFly Aeria X is the compact drone photogrammetry powerhouse. This rugged innovation is the perfect blend of size, weight and DSLR-like image quality. It offers stunning image detail and clarity in virtually all light conditions, which allows you to map for more hours per day. Its built-in direct in-flight georeferencing boosts your efficiency even more by lowering the amount of overlap needed between the images, which increases the coverage and speeds up the processing time. Before installing your Aeria X into the senseFly eBee X, make sure your eBee X is not connected to a computer or to a battery. On your senseFly Aeria X, check if an SD card is inserted. Then plug via the camera connector cable into the socket within eBee X payload bay and clip in the camera body so that both buttons pop up all the way. Before the flight, make sure you remove the lens cap of the senseFly Aeria X. To plan a flight with the eBee X and the senseFly Aeria X camera, open eMotion. Make sure to have eBee X selected and Aeria X as the camera, and drop a horizontal mapping block into the area where you want to map. Adjust its outline and the direction of the flight lines. Under the parameter, you can choose the resolution you'd like to fly at, which also defines your flight altitude, and the lateral as well as the longitudinal overlap. After the flight, remove your senseFly Aeria X camera from the eBee X body. Take out the SD card and insert it into the SD card reader of your laptop. In eMotion, choose Postflight, select the dates and the flight that you'd like to import, and follow the Flight Data Manager procedure in order to import all your data. Thank you for watching. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to visit the senseFly knowledge base or contact our support team.